Now I will show the metal purchases. Click new and date comes automatically. Then party test supplier. Then enter. Then rate you can put pounds rate 1965. Enter. Add the item and suppose 995. You just type here. It will filter. You can move like this. Select the item and maybe it is 5 kg. Enter and just enter only. And once the amount is coming, just you can click here save. There is a save here and then close, escape to close the screen, and then you are going down, save, entry done. So this is metal purchase entry. So this is previous, this one, and next this one, and this is edit password and reason, and then accept. And if you want to do changes, just do changes and then close, and then finally again you will update.